What are the upcoming changes to the MB-920 Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals ERP exam, and how will they affect you if you are going to do this exam? Hello, I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. So first of all, what is this exam? Well, the MB indicates that this is about Microsoft Dynamics 365, and the 9 as the first digit, so the 900, 910, 920, that indicates that this is the fundamentals level. So at the fundamentals level, we asked the capabilities of the various apps. Now the 920 is the ERP, so that is the Enterprise Resource Planning, as opposed to the 910, which is the CRM, the Customer Relationship Management. So basically it's finance and operation apps. So if I scroll down, you can see that the skills measured are Dynamics 365, Supply Chain Management, Finance, Commerce, Human Resources, and Project Operations, together with some shared features. Now, if I scroll back up, we can download the MB-920 study guide. And what you'll see on the screen is the current study guide up to September the 25th, 2022. So I will show the changes that will be made after that. So first of all, we're looking at the Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. And there are just two changes here. Describe stock breakdowns is changed to describe stock levels, and describe on-hand lists is describe on-hand inventory capabilities. Now it should be noted that you will be examined in these big headings. These bullet points are examples of what might be tested, but it could go beyond that. Now there are no changes to Dynamics Finance or Dynamics 365 Finance. In Dynamics 365 Commerce, this is where most of the changes are made, and this section is only 5 to 10% of the overall marks. So it's interesting that they're changing the bullet points, adding a bullet point in total, but not actually changing the total marks. So first of all, describe Dynamics 365, and then there's this repetition, is changing to describe Dynamics 365 Commerce core capabilities. And the first bullet point, describe retail channels including, is being changed to store commerce, call centers, and online. The second bullet point is being expanded to describe channels and channel management concepts. So I don't think there's really any significant change there. To describe channel management concepts, you'd need to know what channels are in the first place. This last bullet point is being rewritten, no longer looking at retail analytics, but describe how Dynamics 365 Commerce uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. So that is a separate paid for thing that you can subscribe to and integrates with Dynamics 365. There is an additional bullet point, describe how Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection reduces fraudulent activities in the system. Then there's one final change, so Human Resources is unchanged and Project Operations is unchanged, but there's one final bullet point right at the end in the Describe Integration options, and that is describe Microsoft Dataverse integration capabilities. So Microsoft Dataverse is the online database which is behind not just Dynamics 365, but also model-driven Power Apps as well. So the main changes are in Dynamics 365 Commerce. So we've got retail channels including store commerce, call centers, and online. And we've got, instead of retail analytics, how Dynamics 365 Commerce uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, and how Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection reduces fraudulent activities in the system. So if you're taking this exam after September the 26th, then you need to know about these. Well, thank you very much for watching this. If you liked it, then please click the like button. And why not subscribe and click that bell? That way you'll be notified of any new videos. Good luck if you are taking the exam. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com, and keep learning.